card.
Finally got the Charizard EX Box. It's opposite to you guys.
Let's see what we have in this box.
So we have Pokemon card.
We have Squirtle,
Blastoise, and
Venusaur.
And now
we don't have
Charizard.
the Charizard yet, so we finally got that.
Well, it's not Mega Charizard yet. There, so now we have 4 packets.
Let's open these babies up.
Nope, not yet. Now we have Jumbo card right here. The giant Charizard and then the little one right there. Yep. There. We got those 2, and now let's open packets.
Let's open the pack. Okay. Let's each open 2 packs. Pokemon cards is quite hard to open for me.
I got a Chinese one. Guys? I got Chinese.
Or Japanese, or Korean, or Hawaiian.
It's definitely Japanese because Pokemons are made in Japanese. Look at them. Okay, look, this thing is actually Japanese. Look at all the.
They must have put that by mistake.
Look at all the moves. All the moves are. The name is Japanese.
The moves are Japanese.
Yeah.
Everything is Japanese except for some little stuff.
No, nothing. Everything is. Oh, except stage. It says stage there. All right, and we have a trainer, and a coffin. A Pigu? I don't know her name. I don't know his name. But it's an EX right there. Another trainer. Diglett. Poliwag. Sandstrew or something like that. Vorpal. Mainly Mike.
And for my pack, I got this thing or whatever. I got this thing. Don't care.
Trainer.
And I got this one.
That's it.
I got a Maxie's Hidden Ball Trick.
Trainer.
I got this one.
Oh, this looks like this should be a GX, doesn't it? Okay. You guys can't really read the name because it's. Oh yeah, I think we can. I don't know how this thing works. That.
And then here's the rest of my cards.
Oh, could do that like that. Got all of those guys.
I got these two.
This that goes upside down. And that. Alright. Alright. In my pack. I'll go first. My other pack. I got that guy. Don't know who he is, but he looks like rare. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure this guy's rare. Oh yeah, this guy's really rare. And then this guy, I have a bunch of these. Pouch. None of these cards are that good. Oh, I see a good one. Oh no, it's not just a normal one. That one, dolphin thingy. Another coffin. I don't know his name. Okay. Those. That guy, I'm pretty sure he's dead. And a shiny and something.
And for my pack, I got this one.
He has Zubat. I'm not gonna read the names. Don't really need.
I think it's from the movie. I don't know.
Yep, it's Snubble.
He's from the movie.
Oh yeah, we're showing these.
This one,
Okay.
Little Pup.
His name is actually Little Pup. Oh my god. His name is Little Pup. Oh my god, I don't have this yet.
Get a colored mix, and then get a colored mix the second time. It's like, what?
Look at that. It's in the Alola region. Why?
I got this one.
Wait, don't I have a GX version? I have a GX version of that guy.
I don't care about the energies. Yay.
Don't throw them. It could be good if you do a Pokemon battle. You need them.
I got a Mechapod.
It's not a real looking tree. Megapods suck. But they can evolve into something really good.
I got Torracat.
Torracat. Ooh, that's a really good energy.
I don't care about the energies.
Look, it's a rainbow energy. That thing's rare.
Is that rare?
That's it. And there's a bunch of codes. I am gonna see what they do. 1 second.
Hey guys, in the giant card, I can read better with that. When a Pokemon EX has been knocked out, your opponent takes 2 prize cards. And I can't read the small one.
Goes out and opens it, and maybe instead of sliding that thing up, I have to hit on that website.
I'm gonna end the video with your me. So bye. Charizard time. Wait a second. Before we start, I just wanted to say something. Colton got a rainbow card, and he wants to show you. Colton?
It's a Rainbow GX. This thing does 120 damage. Plus, if it gets fire, if you go against fire type, that does like 500 damage or something like that. Yeah, it does. It does a lot. So if this Charizard goes against, that's upside down, goes against that beats it. Because it's water type anyway, so yeah. This Pokemon.
So I can read the words better with the giant card.
Yeah, so the move Stroke does flip a coin. If heads, search your deck for up to 3 basic energy cards and what is that? Attach them to the Pokemon. Shuffle your deck afterward. Fire Blast does discard an energy attached to this Pokemon. And
His weakness is water.
yeah, it says right there. Where is it? Right here. Water beats him. So this would only do 120 damage if it's against a fire. Wait a second. A fire type, or a I don't know, flying type or something like that. So yeah, that's it. And you can do the outro.
Bye.
Bye.